Want an edge in today's market? It's mortgages featuring renovation financing. Whether it's helping buyers with low inventory situations, combating the rise in home improvement costs, or just helping customers get that HGTV experience when they purchase and buy. I'm Thompson, and I'm the nation's leading expert on mortgages featuring renovation financing. You see, here at Cardinal Financial Wholesale, we've introduced a powerful yet simple system that helps you prospect and earn from our suite of renovation lending products and one-of-a-kind support system. Don't miss this series of webinars explaining renovation lending, identifying ideal clients, navigating the transaction, crafting a winning marketing strategy, and ultimately leveraging the success stories. You'll come away from this session with a strong addition to your mortgage expertise, because this Cardinal Financial Wholesale team wants you to get great at this and learn how to make money earning from renovation lending.